Hello YouTube! Just a really quick video from me today. This is a pair of trousers that a friend of mine bought in for repair because they had ripped right open from just below the fly right to the middle of the gusset. The stitching had just all pulled away, leaving him in a pretty embarrassing situation. So I've repaired that for him along with some other repairs across the top of the knee and some other sections of stitching that I've repaired. I've also reinforced the stitching on this this webbing belt. Now the reason I'm making this video is that these were bought from a popular online marketplace, one that I'm sure the majority of us use fairly regularly. I'm not going to mention it, but they sell all kinds of different things. It's not an auction website, it's a marketplace, and my friend has been sold something that he didn't buy, and by that I mean these are sold as Gore Windstopper winter hiking trousers with Kevlar reinforced knees. Now for a start, there's no Kevlar on those knees at all, that's just nylon thread reinforcement, which, you know, is certainly going to offer a level of protection, but not what he's bought. And these are not Windstopper. They're well, you know, on the face of it, they're not a bad soft fleece lined soft shell fabric. It's quite nice actually, but there is no Windstopper membrane in these trousers whatsoever, and in fact that is not a Gore label. Focus. That label has been manufactured on someone's label making machine. You can tell that because the Windstopper logo itself, the font is slightly elongated. If you look, I'll put a little picture of a genuine Gore Windstopper logo there, and well, where it should say Gore quite clearly with the little swoosh at the end, well, it looks more like it just says or paw. So yeah, clearly fakes. So I'm not suggesting for one moment that everyone has to go out there and buy from the big manufacturers. You know, there are lots of small manufacturers out there, or small kind of boutique clothing brands that are making some really good kit. And to be fair to these trousers, you know, they're a nice pair of trousers on the face of it. The stitching was better, then they would have been a really good buy. But what I take issue with are manufacturers trying to fob people off and make them think they're getting something they're not. You know, that's what I take issue with, and that's why I'm making this video really. So hopefully this may have helped someone that's been concerned about an item that they've purchased, or something that they're looking to purchase online for an extremely good price. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is, and if it looks really cheap, well, I'm sorry, but these days you tend to get what you pay for. So yeah. My advice would be, if you're worried about any products that you've purchased, get back in touch with the marketplace or the seller or the retailer and make them aware of your concerns. They can either put you at ease, or that they can refund your money if there is an issue. So don't forget, like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you again. Bye.